الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. There is one central value that we are referring to when it comes to Islam, and especially when it comes to God. We know that Allah, God, is asking us to call Him with His name, and it said, Ud'u Allah aw ud'u Rahman. Pray God or pray the most merciful. Mercy here is very important. It's the way we are understanding that Allah's presence, God's presence in our life is full of mercy. He is the merciful, the most merciful and the most compassionate. Mercy has to do with compassion here, and it's very important. And what we are asked to do as Muslims when we are dealing with one another is to show mercy, to be full of mercy and compassion. Ruhama bainahum. So it's exactly the same word that we have here, and it also has to do with sirat al-rahim, which has to do with the way we love our parents, and we have to be very careful about keeping this links with our families, parents, and the big family that we may have. So mercy and compassion is everywhere in our tradition. And when we come back to God, this is exactly what we are asking Him. Allahumma rahmataka narju. Oh God, we are asking you your compassion, your forgiveness. So compassion, forgiveness, and mercy are the three words that are embodied in the notion of rahmah in Islam. And this is the way we have to understand it, and especially during the months of Ramadan, because the month of Ramadan is a month of rahmah. This is where we have to experience this compassion towards the people. And first, we need to understand that it starts with our own self. So this sense of mercy should start with ourselves. Whatever is our situation, our past, we have done so many made so many mistakes. We are full of sins, and yet we start with ourselves by being full of mercy, understanding that yes, we made mistakes, things went wrong, but everything is possible as to the way we can improve ourselves with the help of God, and with our own effort we can do it, and especially during Ramadan. And then we also have to show this compassion towards our brothers and sisters in Islam and in humanity. And what does it mean? It means stop judging first and come to understanding, listening, forgiving, and covering the mistakes and the sins of the people around us. It's a mindset. It's the way we deal with Allah. It's a jihad. Jihad al-Rahmah. It's also something which is important in our life, and especially during Ramadan, as we are fasting, as we are trying our best to become better human beings and believers. This is where we have to start with this Rahmah, and understanding that Huwa Rahman, He is the most merciful. We need to try to be Rahama, full of mercy, and we have to spread it around the world. This is the month where it should be visible in our heart through our behavior, insha'Allah. Remember to remain positive, to take good care of yourself, and to let the people you love know that you love them, insha'Allah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.